have a report with data, but how we did it? First of all, we should go to get data and choose right connection. For our data stored in Excel file, so we should choose Excel book and try to find this Excel book. I already did it, so we can go to transform data, and as you can see, we have two pages: actual sales and expected sales, and we can check how I did it. Here we have steps how we transform our data. So we have source. Source, it's our Excel file. I create this file, and Excel path. Excel path, I use parameter, but you can use text and type your path, or use parameter. Why I use parameter? Because it's easy to change. If you change the path of your file, you can go to parameter and change it here one time. Because for now we have like two pages, and we could change only once, and in this case we change path for two tables. We can manage this parameter. I just leave some description about it, and current value. It's my path of my file. So let's continue. So we have source, Excel path, and name of this file. Then we navigate to our sheets. I choose actual because it's actual sales, and then I have promoted header. That means I choose one first row as header. I change like a country, actual sales, date, because for this one we have country, sales, and date like a first row. I choose that we have first row as header, and then I change type, because for sales we have type like a whole number, but sometimes it's not whole number, sometimes it's like a decimal number. And it's for this column it's date, and for this column we can choose actually it's text. As you can see here, we have country text, date it's date, and actual sales it's number. For expect sales I did the same way, and also I have another table. It's a combination of two first table. As you can see, we just take the table and append actual size by expected sales. Then I did some group, change type, and group rows. I did actual sales sum, expect sales sum, and grouping by country and date. What else? Filter exists data. It's a filter for our report. If you remember, we have like this filter, all sales or only with different percent, and it's custom filter. That's why I create additional table. To do it, just go here, enter data, and enter your own data without export. Then we should take these tables and create relation between these tables. For actual sales, I create a relation between date. It's one-to-many relation. It means we have only one date in table date and many dates in actual sales, because we have like a lot of sales during one day, but it's only one day in it. That's why we have here only one row and many here. And cross filter direction, it's a single because we're filtering by date in date table. It's mean in other side, so we have like a both or single. It's mean when we choose some date in date table, we filtering rows in actual sales. It's single direction. If we choose something in actual sales, we don't need to filter out data in table date. In the same way we did for expected sales and for actual plus expected sales. I forgot to say about date table. I create this table in like it's a DAX expression. I just type date, calendar date, auto, and Power BI generate this table automatically uh, based on date that I have in my report. It's a little bit like analyze from Power BI and generate it by themselves. Uh, so for now we have like of course we have a measure table. It's not necessary for now, but it's just convenient to store all measures in this table and our filter without any relations because it's a custom filter and I try to explain it a little bit later. So I think that's it and thanks.